Welcome to Voice Search Optimization 2025. Boost your SEO with these proven strategies. The way we search for information is changing. Gone are the days of painstakingly typing keywords into a search bar. Today, we're talking to our devices, asking questions in natural conversational language. This is the power of voice search, and it's rapidly transforming the SEO landscape. Voice search is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here. It's growing exponentially, and it's changing how businesses need to think about their online presence. Ignoring this shift means risking visibility and falling behind competitors who have already embraced the voice search revolution. Voice search is here to stay, and its impact on SEO is only going to grow stronger in the coming years. Understanding how to optimize for voice search is no longer optional. It's essential for any business that wants to thrive in the digital age. The future of search is voice-powered, and those who adapt quickly will reap the rewards. How often do you use voice search to get directions or look for a restaurant near you? Let us know in the comment section below. Chapter 2. The rise of voice search is undeniable, backed by compelling statistics highlighting its rapid adoption. Consider these eye-opening figures. 55% of households are projected to own a smart speaker by 2022. Demonstrating the increasing prevalence of voice-activated devices in our homes. Furthermore, a staggering 71% of consumers prefer using voice search over mobile apps for its sheer convenience. This preference for voice interaction underscores the need for businesses to prioritize voice search optimization. The numbers don't lie. Voice search is rapidly becoming a primary way people find information online. Businesses that ignore this trend risk becoming invisible in a voice-powered search landscape. Chapter 3. Voice search isn't just about the technology, it's about the fundamental shift in how we search. When we type, we use short, specific keywords. But when we speak, we use natural, conversational language, often phrasing our queries as questions. This means optimizing for voice search requires a different approach. Instead of focusing solely on short-tail keywords, businesses need to incorporate long-tail keywords and conversational phrases that reflect how people naturally speak. For example, instead of targeting the keyword pizza delivery, consider, where can I find the best pizza delivery near me? This shift to natural language is crucial for capturing voice search queries, which tend to be longer and more conversational than their typed counterparts. Chapter 4. Optimizing for voice search means thinking like your audience. When people use voice search, they're not just looking for information, they're seeking answers, solutions, and recommendations. To cater to this conversational search behavior, businesses need to optimize their content with natural language and long-tail keywords. Instead of stuffing keywords unnaturally, focus on creating content that reads conversationally, providing value and answering questions in a clear, concise manner. Think about the questions your target audience might ask, and incorporate those questions and their answers into your content. By providing valuable information in a conversational tone, you increase the likelihood of your content being served up in voice search results. Remember, the key is to make your content informative, engaging, and easily digestible for both users and voice search algorithms. Chapter 5. The power of snippets, your shortcut to voice search success. In the world of voice search, featured snippets reign supreme. A featured snippet is a concise, direct answer to a user's query that appears at the top of the search results page, often accompanied by an image or video. Why are snippets crucial for voice search? Because voice assistants prioritize delivering quick, concise answers. When a user asks a question, they want an immediate solution, not a list of links to sift through. Earning a featured snippet is like winning the voice search lottery. To increase your chances, focus on providing clear, concise answers to common questions within your content. Structure your content with headings, bullet points, and numbered lists to make it easily scannable and digestible for both users and search engines. Chapter 6. Mobile first is no longer optional, it's a voice search imperative. The majority of voice searches are performed on mobile devices. This means having a mobile-friendly website is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for voice search visibility. A mobile-friendly website loads quickly, adapts to different screen sizes, and provides a seamless user experience on smartphones and tablets. This is crucial because voice search users expect instant gratification. If your website takes too long to load or provides a clunky mobile experience, they'll quickly bounce to a competitor. Optimize your website for mobile responsiveness, ensure fast loading speeds, and prioritize a user-friendly design to cater to the mobile-first nature of voice search. Chapter 7. Local SEO, your voice search secret weapon. Voice search is inherently local. When someone asks, "Where's the nearest coffee shop?" they're not looking for coffee shops on the other side of the world. They want options in their immediate vicinity. This is where local SEO comes into play. Optimizing for local search involves claiming and verifying your Google My Business listing, ensuring your business information is accurate and consistent across all platforms, and encouraging customer reviews. When your business information is up to date and your online presence is strong, you increase your chances of appearing in local voice search results. Focus on building a robust local SEO strategy to capture those valuable near-me searches and drive foot traffic to your physical location. Chapter 8. The future of search is here. Are you ready for voice? Voice search is not a fad. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and access information. As voice recognition technology continues to improve and voice-activated devices become increasingly ubiquitous, the dominance of voice search will only solidify. For businesses, this means adapting to a new era of SEO, one that prioritizes natural language, conversational content, and mobile-first optimization. Ignoring the rise of voice search is no longer an option. Those who embrace this change, optimize their online presence accordingly, and cater to the needs of voice search users will be best positioned for success in the years to come. Chapter 9. Voice search, your key to unlocking future SEO success. The future of SEO is inextricably linked to voice search. Businesses that want to remain visible, attract customers, and thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape must prioritize voice search optimization as a core component of their SEO strategy. By embracing natural language, understanding user intent, and optimizing for snippets and local SEO, businesses can position themselves to capitalize on the immense opportunities presented by voice search. Remember, voice search is not just about optimizing for keywords, it's about optimizing for humans. Create valuable content that answers questions, provides solutions, and delivers an exceptional user experience, and you'll be well on your way to voice search success. Chapter 10. Don't get left behind. Embrace voice search optimization today. The time to act is now. The voice search revolution is well underway, and businesses that delay adapting to this new landscape risk falling behind their competitors. Start by auditing your current SEO strategy and identifying areas where you can incorporate voice search best practices. Focus on creating high-quality, conversational content that answers common questions and provides value to your target audience. Optimize your website for mobile responsiveness, ensure fast loading speeds, and claim and optimize your Google My Business listing to improve your local SEO. By taking these steps today, you can ensure your business is well equipped to thrive in the voice-powered future of search. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your friends.